Hey traders, I'm going to talk to you about what I believe is the single most important thing for you to understand to be a successful trader in the markets. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. Alright, traders, I'm going to get straight into this. This is the single most important thing you need to understand if you want to be a successful trader in the markets right now, in the markets today, and moving forward for the rest of your life. And what is that? There is two really important things that you understand when it comes to trading the markets. Investing is a different sort of kettle of fish there. It's a different situation there when you're talking about investing, okay? But when you're talking about trading, actively trading, you're getting in and getting out, getting in and getting out. Here are the two most important things you must understand. Firstly is, what is your edge? What is your edge? And your edge must be black and white, all right? So I have four rules that just give me an entry signal. I use a moving average, a volume, and the chart only, but I have 4 steps to a trading setup on the chart, okay? Now, my job is to take this and only take that setup only, all right? So that's the very first step, and this might sound very trivial. I was like, John, tell me something we don't know. All right, guys, if you do this, I promise you, you'll do well in the markets. If you don't do this, you won't do well in the markets, because there is no magic. There's this big theory out there, right? There's this holy grail. There's this one trading system that is best trading system out there on the planet, and all these other trading systems out there just don't work. That's total bollocks, right? That's total bollocks. You don't work the trading system. That's the reason why you don't do well in the markets. That's just it, right? When I don't do well in the markets, I'm not working the trading system. Anyway, let's get straight into this right now. So firstly, what is your exact setup you're looking for? What is your exact setup you're looking for? Two, what you want to do is, when it comes down to money management and risk management, you want to have it so the wins are not hurting you, and the wins are not exciting you, and the losses are not hurting you. Too many times, so many people, including myself sometimes, we jump in with a bit more money than we are comfortably emotionally handle. And when we do have a loss, guess what? It really rattles our cage with what's actually happening in the markets. So what I'm saying here right now, guys, is that your wins and your losses shouldn't be like it. The way you make money overall is you want to be able to have good emotional decisions. If those good emotional decisions come from you having a trading percentage. So if you have a good win, it's not going to excite you. It's like, oh yeah, that was good. If you have a loss, oh yeah, that was a loss. You know, you want to try and keep in that even and win that even level plane. When you do that with that even level plane, you're likely to make good trading decisions. Therefore, you're likely to make more money. And this is the thing, guys. If you actually trade more, if you trade more of your account to make more money, you actually end up making less. If you trade less of your account, and I'm not talking about zero there, but if you take less of your account, you end up making more money. That's the thing that I have found here, because like overall, okay? Now, number 3 is you need to take that setup every single time, regardless of what you think, hope, or pray. Okay? Every time. And the reason why I say that is because every single setup has a random outcome built in with the probability of an outcome. Now, built in with the probability outcome, let's just say you have a series of trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just call this 10 trades, okay? 10 trades. Now, this 10 trades here, what is this? Right? What is this? What do we have here? Let's just say this very first trade you took was a loser. You're like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I lost there. Oh my goodness, this is not working. I can't believe I lost in this trade. Oh my God. It's like, no, guys, this is not how trading is done in the markets, right? Trading is not about this one trade that went against you. It's like, who cares about that one trade? Who cares about 2 trades? Show me 10 trades in a row that you've taken that meet these rules. Right? And you've taken the setup every single time. It's like, next trade, lost. Oh my goodness, I knew this wasn't going to work. This system sucks. This guy's a fraud. I want a refund. Oh my God, this guy's a bitch, all right? This guy's a big bitch. I can't believe this right now. He's just an idiot. He said he was doing really well. And he said he had a 70% win-loss ratio and an 80% win-loss ratio. And look at this. My first 2 trades lost. He's a scam. Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to blast him all over the internet. That's that bullshit that I hear all the time, right? No. Listen to me. You don't know which one's going to be the losers, which one's going to be the winners. And because you pick and choose, guess what? The trades you get into are the losers, and the trades you don't get into are the winners. And guess what? You don't take any trades, and then you see a nice win, and you see a nice win, and you see a nice win. And guess what? There's loss over here. Now you've taken these 3 wins. Now you've taken these wins, and if you're good with money management, you've had this literally 1 or 2. This one trade here should be able to cover these 2 losses. Profit. Now you're sitting here with a loss. You're like, oh my goodness. Oh, all right. You know what? I just gotta stick to the plan. And next one's a loss. That's how tradings work. But the thing is, like, you don't know which one's going to be the loser, which one's going to be the winner. And the problem is, people would rather be right than rich. They pick and choose. If you have a trading system that works, your job is to take the trade no matter what. Win, loss, right? Because you seriously don't know which one's going to be the profit, which one's going to be loss. And the only reason why people don't do well in the markets is because there's one thing: they try to be right. They try to predict the market. They try to get in the market. They try to think they're smarter than the markets. Guess what? That doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. So if you seriously want to get ahead in the markets, firstly, have your trading plan. Secondly, trade them out that the loss not hurting you. And thirdly, every single trade, you need to step up to that, because you know if you step up to it and a basket of, say, 20 trades, even if you're 50-50 right and you have good risk money management and good execution, that's in getting out for small losses, etc., you're going to do well overall. That's what trading is all about.